వెల్కమ్ టు భారత్ వనితా టీవీ. ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఢిల్లీ పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్లో సైన్స్ క్లబ్ను ఇనాగ్రేషన్ చేసిన రాయపాటి శివకుమార్. నర్సరావుపేటలోని ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఢిల్లీ పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్లో సోమవారం సైన్స్ క్లబ్ ఇనాగ్రేషన్ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ఏర్పాటు చేశారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి ముఖ్య అతిథిగా ప్రముఖ సైన్స్ లిటిల్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ యూట్యూబర్ రాయపాటి శివకుమార్ హాజరయ్యారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా ఆయన మాట్లాడుతూ పిల్లలకు సైన్స్ పట్ల అవగాహన ఎంతో అవసరమన్నారు. అదేవిధంగా ఆయన ప్రాక్టికల్గా కొన్ని ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్లను చేసి డెమో రూపంలో విద్యార్థులకు అవగాహన కల్పించారు. విద్యార్థులకు నేర్పించే పాఠాల్లో సైన్స్ టెక్నాలజీని ప్రాక్టికల్గా వెలికి తీసేందుకు ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని నిర్వహించామని ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఢిల్లీ పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్ చైర్మన్ అండ్ డైరెక్టర్ నాగోతు ప్రకాష్ రావు అన్నారు.
On the dais, I bless to your in the presence of the dais. Okay. నేను తెలుగులో చెప్తాను, అర్థమవుతుంది కదా? ఓకే. సమ్ టైమ్ ఐ యూజ్డ్ ఇంగ్లీష్. ఓకే. ఐ ప్రిపేర్డ్ some more simple activities, small kit, that is 20 experiments. We will do the 20 experiments used by that kit, but 25 items are there. Now I will show it. Time is very little, that's why I have to present only here 20 experiments related to the physics. That's why I present one by one. Here we see the curved cardboards, two curved cardboards. Okay, one is, which color is this? Orange. This is yes. Okay. I put side by side. Which curved cardboard is big? Yes, rightly said. You said right. Okay. Now one student says that, one children, sir, pink is put below the orange card. That's why I change this above. In this case, which is big? Big. Orange is big, not pink. Okay, orange or pink? Orange. Yes, orange. Now I interchange the two cards. Okay. Now which is big? Big. Why? In previous we said orange is big. Now you said pink. Why? What is the difference? Now again you see that in this case orange is small, pink is big. Now I interchange these two cards. In this case orange. Why? Now like this I put opposite direction. Which is big? Equal. Yes, you are right. In this case equal, but in this case, only in this case, the front one orange is big, pink is small. In this case also, the front one is always big, orange is small. Do you know the science behind this activity? No. In science we said that it is optical illusion. Optical illusion. అంటే మనము తెలుగులో భ్రమ అంటాం. దృష్టి భ్రమ. అరే భ్రమ పడుతున్నావురా అంటాడు. అంటే అక్కడ రియల్గా కాదు. వాట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ ఫర్ దిస్? రీజన్ అంటే అవర్ ఐ కంపేర్స్ ది length. Here curved length. Here you observe that the pink card backside length, curved length is big. The orange card frontal curved length is small. I changed this. In this case also, our brain estimates the comparison. The orange side length is big. Pink curved cardboard's front curved length is small. This is the reason for activity. Okay, ba? Right. Ready? Okay. Now, this shape is called cone. In science, it is a streamline, aerodynamic shape. This is a aerodynamic shape. This comes from birds. You know the birds comes from the nature. That is, aeroplane shape is compared to the bird shape. Birds are very easily fly in the air. Why? Because the shape cooperates. That's why the aeroplanes also fly in the air easily, less friction. Now I present this one. I put it in this. This is a PVC pipe. No? It's PVC pipe. I put into this and I have to force to the air to my mouth. You see that? Why it is go high and high? Yes, that is shape. The less friction in the air. Anyone? Any boy or girl? Come. You.
Only one
I
is
select.
called rest all for 3 seconds.
Okay? Put it and forcefully. Low. You. Okay?
Wait for your turn and you go on.
పక్కపోతే మేము ఎట్ట తీసుకుంటావా
Now I can do an activity. There is a scientific principle behind it. Can you say that a scientific principle? You observe it. This is a bent straws. I cut it one side, insert into the second straw. Okay? Now I bend it. In which direction it turns? You observe it. Anti-clockwise. Okay. You observe here, the air comes left side. Straw goes opposite direction. Now air goes this direction. How the straw rotates? Yes. What is the principle here? You know that? Yes, the force of air goes one direction, it turns opposite direction. Start the first law of motion, second law of motion, third law of motion. Which is related to this activity? First law, second law, third law. Someone says first law, someone says second law. Yes, third law, someone. Which is right? What third law says? Anyone? What is the third law? Every action, there is a reaction. Their directions are opposite. Rocket. You see the rocket? The burning fuels are comes downwards direction, rocket goes upward direction. That is the third law of motion. Okay. కార్డ్బోర్డ్ జోకర్ పేపర్తో తయారు చేసాం అనమాట. ఐ ఫైండ్ ది సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ గ్రావిటీ. I put it here on the bamboo stick. You observe it. This is the center of gravity of the cardboard. Okay. Now, anyone try to stand the head of the cardboard on the bamboo stick. Is it possible? No. But science says that it is possible. Science says it is possible. That is, the center of gravity is there. I transfer the center of gravity to the head, then it will be stand on the bamboo stick. Now, I change it. These are the paper clips, small paper clips. I attached the one hand, the other paper clip attached to the another hand. Okay, in this case the center of gravity changes from stomach to head. You see it. Okay, is it possible or not? Possible. Why it is possible? Yes, we can change the center of gravity by using some weights. Weights పెంచాం కదా హ్యాండ్స్ ద్వారా, అప్పుడు దాని సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ గ్రావిటీ వచ్చేసి ఉంది. ఈ వెయిట్స్ లేకపోతే వీ హ్యావ్ టు రిమూవ్ ద వెయిట్స్. ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్ టు స్టాండ్ ఆన్ ఎ స్టిక్? నో. This is the beauty of science. The spoons, I take 2 spoons. Do you see your images into the spoons? It is a concave shape. Inner shape is called? The outer shape is bulged out. That's why it is convex shape. We observe the pictures, images by using these spoons. You say, one of the persons, student, you say, how you look it? How is your picture, image? How is it? Erect. Correct means erect. Erect. You see the in concave shape? How is it? Inverted image. Okay, these are the mirrors. Okay, now any 2 students, one comes from girl, one comes from boy. No. Here. Put it in your pen. What you have to listen? Say. How is sound? How? You say again? Bell. Bell sound. Where bell? School bell? Or any other bells? School bell. Or temple bell? టెంపుల్లో బెల్ ఉంటుంది కదా, అలా వినపడుతుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, హౌ ఈజ్ ఇట్ అగైన్? టెంపుల్ బెల్ ఆర్ స్కూల్ బెల్. ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ మ్యూజిక్ ఈజ్ లిజన్ ఫ్రమ్ త్రూ దిస్ స్పూన్. నౌ ఐ leave it. You see the listen and say how is the sound. Now, is it school bell? This sound is school bell? It comes from? No. This sound is not school bell, school bell sound. It is noise. It disturbs our mindset. But you put it in your ear, and how is the sound? Again, you have to listen. Okay, you.
School bell.
Yes. Is it, how is it? Beauty is there? Yeah. Is like a music or a noise?
Music.
Music. This is a musical sound. Right. Okay. Go.
I need that ball to be put it in the box. Hey, don't break the ball. Don't break the bottle. Keep it there. Hey, what happened? What happened, bro? Just go outside. Hey, Manikanda, you should not cross that board. You should not cross that board. You should not cross. Ball should be on the board.
Sit down. Sit down, everyone.
Please keep quiet. Please keep quiet. Which class? So seventh class student is going to do this experiment. Whether he succeed or not, we'll see. Come on, do it. You lost? Want to try again or not?
No, he tried.
Try it.
No.
You get the chance. Even in the laboratory, please.
Oh, that's successful.
Very good.
Wonderful.
What is the reason? Huh? Without reason you tried, huh? Tell me, what is the reason?
Called China bowl, not China. It is a Tibetan singing bowl. Tibetan singing bowl. It is made 7 metals alloy. 7 metals alloy. You can see that. How to produce the sound? Do you know how to produce the sound? How do you produce the sound? No. How to produce the sound? You say vibration bodies. The sound produced by
Hello.
vibration
What are you doing? No need.
will be produced. Now, when we have to beat it, this body is vibrating, simultaneously sound is also produced. But I cannot beat this, but sound is produced. You see how?
Who want to try? Who want to try? Without beating, you should get that vibration.
Come.
No. So uniform must. Without hitting that,
Hitting.
you should get the vibration.
No beating. You produce the
You
sound.
can touch it, but without hitting.
No, that is beating.
Hitting only.
Anyone?
That is also hitting.
You come.
Huh?
Without beating,
Okay, leave it then.
produce the
Don't get
sound.
it, leave it.
You come. You. Not beating. No.
No, not like this.
So you already did it, right?
To beat. Produce sound.
Don't hit it.
Yes.
come on, do it.
Yes, do it. Why you come here? You don't know. Even without beating, you have to present it. There is sound.
Did you produce the sound?
Inside all of you they listen.
We need vibrations. No, leave it.
Yes, I can do this.
Sir will demonstrate.
All of you observe it.
No, sir.
Without noise,
Demonstration. Have a
please.
look.
Without noise. Without
First you
noise.
have to observe what is going on. I take this wooden stick. wooden stick.
Did you hear it?
Is
Did you hear it? Loudly. Again. Did you? Huh? Are you getting or not? I'm not getting.
anyone from girl? Rotate it. Slowly, slowly. Okay.
Are you getting?
Super. Clap. Ah. And just.
How to hit that glass without falling that water.
First you see. Observe.
Applause, big applause.
Round of applause.
What would be the reason?
Then
If I
Wonderful. Round of applause for our
whistle. Yes, first you have to observe how is the sound. Now fill with water. Now observe it. How is this? Bird sound. In previous, whistle, squirrel sound. Now it is bird sound.
vibrate now, what is different? What is the difference between that?
Any vibrating body produces sound. I take paper. Only simple paper, rectangular shape. I cut it 2 holes in middle. I fold it. No whistles. This is a production of sound. Is it whistle? Is whistle sound? Yeah, yes. Very simple. ఇది మీరు చేసుకోగలరా లేదా? ఇవన్నీ there are all locally available material. So you have to do in your home. You observe and how is it rotates? Yes, rotatory motion. This direction, it rotates opposite direction. What is the principle? Yes, Newton's third law of motion.
Sir,
in your mouth, such that you should keep that water bottle upwards. Okay. I like two volunteers. From girls and one from boys. Who will blow more? That's what I want. Who will win? Get up, come here. From girls. Who wants to blow more? Come on. You are. Anyone from girls? Come on. Just blow the air. That's it. Just blow the air with this pipe. Through this pipe, you have to blow the air. That's it. Girls? Again, one person. Volunteer I got. Don't do it. 47 centimeters. He's 41 centimeters. He is opposing that floor. Come on. Yours. What is your name? Which class?
9th class.
Very good. Hold it. You are not holding. Okay. What is 7? 42. Leave it. In lab you can do, everyone can do in our lab. You have to tell the reason also.
First tell the reason, then you do.
Because? You know it or not? So do it first. Very nice. Hey, cautious. Very good.
Wonderful.
Tell me the reason then. Tell me the reason. I think you copied or and then tell me the reason. No centripetal force. Centrifugal force. The centrifugal force acting on the board will pull this back.
These are clockwise forms. Secant theta by cosecant theta. Sin theta is equal to tan theta by cosecant theta. Cos theta is equal to sin theta by tan theta. These are anti-clock directions. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you so much. Wonderful.
My name is Negra. This is Mohan. We are from grade 9, Trading Telecoms. Our school name is International Delhi Public School. Our project is Automatic Principal.
Review.
We have to take two beakers. One is 500 ml beaker, one is 100 ml beaker. 500 ml beaker we have to fill with water. And we have to dip 100 ml beaker into the water. Object volume. Have you ever had swimming pool and felt lighter? When I dip to the water, that is, the object feels very light. That is equal to the velocity of, that is equal to the weight the water fall down from the beaker.
Take two test tubes. One is less mass, one is high mass. Dipped into water. Which is low density? It dip less. Which is high density? It dip more. This test tube was
Today I am going to explain about exothermic reaction. Exothermic reactions are complex.
You carrier.
There are two types of reaction: exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. So now we are going to explain exothermic reaction.
This part of it is going to be evolved. Remember, one of the substance is glycerin. It is byproduct of oil. It obtained from vegetable oils which we eat daily. This is not dangerous. This is used by cine actors when they require to VP. So such a light liquid. Another one is potassium permanganate. This is also a normal chemical which sometimes used for stomach wash also. So these two are so simple chemicals. See what happens when these two are mixed. Be careful and watch.
And after adding the potassium permanganate, add some of the chlorine.
Take the spets. Keep away.
It takes some time to ignite. Due to high heat, it ignites instantly without any ignition particle. Thank you.
A wonderful experiment of chemistry. Everyone, please give them a huge
Mr. Sunil and everyone who made this thing possible for us. Let's have a round of applause for these people.
And also